top tourist attraction. This is the London Eye. And the London Eye stands there 450 feet high, and it takes half an hour to go around. That will cost you £35 each. So it is now one of London's top tourist attractions. Since opening, the London Eye has carried over 70 million people. And on the left, the lovely Gothic style building is Whitehall Court Mansions. Inside that building is the 5-star Horse Guards Hotel. And on the way down river today, we will pass under many of London's bridges. And the first one that we pass under is the Charing Cross Railway Bridge. As we go through the bridges, what we like to do, ladies and gents, is wave and smile to anybody standing above. He's not really paying much attention, that man, but he's a miserable git, isn't he? Maybe he's not a morning person. It's just an old tradition. Wave and smile to the people on the bridges. Some of them do wave back. He was probably from London and just miserable like the rest of us. Now we have our first stop on our left-hand side here. This is Embankment Pier. We're going to go straight past because he's waving us by. So nobody to pick up from Embankment. So we are scheduled to stop again here to our right-hand side. At the moment, it doesn't look like there's anybody waiting there either. So it's pretty quiet in London this morning.
Keep